don't need an intro on this one. Maybe that could be the intro.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chris.
And I'm Leo, and we are The Drinking Guys.
And on today's episode, we're actually going to be covering a cocktail that is pretty much known all around the US.
That's right.
Or even the world. And that's the Long Island iced tea. Quick way to get pretty boozy.
It is, man. It is. But I mean, there's also myth to it. You know, it doesn't have as much alcohol as people think, but it is a lot of variations of spirits in there. So let's get on to it. The Long Island iced tea is credited to a gentleman called Robert Butt. We refer to him as
Mr. Butt.
Mr. Butt. So Mr. Butt actually came up with the cocktail in 1972.
And he actually came up with this cocktail in a competition for triple sec. It's a triple sec competition, which, as we mentioned here before on the channel, it is an orange liqueur. So we actually have something a little better. It's a Cointreau right over here. Let me see if you guys could see it. More of that later on. But
that's right. Great story.
Yeah.
Yeah, for a competition.
Didn't he win? Didn't he win?
It's a good question. I have no clue if he won, but I did read somewhere that in the 1980s he was bragging about the cocktail, about the people that came from all over the world and they were enjoying this cocktail. So I guess he did pretty good. Or at least he was bragging about it. Do it.
All right, guys. So first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna actually, start chilling of our glass. Ours is already chilled. It'll be best if you actually, fill it up with ice or just leave it in the freezer for a couple of minutes before you begin.
That's right.
So
that freezer move is a nice move, man.
It is.
It's clean. Look at this. Oof. Oof.
So the very first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put our citrus, which is gonna be 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. All right, and then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of your simple syrup. And then now we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our Cointreau or triple sec. You can also do Grand Marnier. You can also do dry Curacao.
But Cointreau is gonna give it a little more body to the cocktail, and it's only gonna enhance it. It wouldn't steer you guys the wrong way. Put a little more. So you know what? Let's attempt this. And wow. Wow.
It was pretty smooth. On to the good stuff. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of gin.
So the thing with this cocktail is everyone thinks that it's a very, very boozy, but it's not, because I mean, in the sense of it has 2 ounces of alcohol. So it doesn't have more than 2 ounces. Some places make it with 3/4 of an ounce of each spirit, but at the end of the day, most places are gonna do 2 ounces of a total amount of alcohol, and it's all about the mixing of all of them, which is gonna get you to where you need to get. It's gonna be.
All right. All right, and then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of tequila, and we love this thing over here. 1/2 ounce of vodka. 1/2 ounce of vodka. Then the last ingredient, well, not the last, the last that's going in the tin, rum. 1/2 ounce of rum.
There it is. You guys know what time it is.
You guys know what time it is.
Hey, Chris.
Tell them.
It's ice time, baby. All right. Slap it like you mean it.
Slap at the base. I don't know why I said that.
Me neither, man.
How low can you go? All right, and then we're gonna top this off with some Coke. And we're gonna garnish this beautiful thing.
Beautiful. Let's give it a little stir, make it look like iced tea, Thank you, bud.
And then Look at that.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
It's a good cocktail. But you know, not gonna lie to you guys, probably wouldn't order this one. What about you, Chris? Yeah?
I would definitely order this.
Yeah?
It's a beachy cocktail.
Really?
Yeah, I like it. I enjoy it. Yeah.
Probably put a little bit of more Coke. Give it that nice color.
I like it the Coke. Let me see.
Oh, you like it the Coke?
I like it the Coke.
Hey man, this will get you where you need to go. You know where they need to go?
Where?
Right to that subscribe button.
Oh, you gotta subscribe.
First of all, there's a whole mix of alcohol going on there. So I don't even know exactly what alcohol it tastes. I don't know what's going. Definitely not vodka because it doesn't taste like anything. But
Yeah.
But I taste a little bit of tequila.
Some gin, I would say.
Taste, yeah. It's I don't even
Rum.
taste that much gin to be honest. But
primarily you're gonna taste the tequila.
But you know what you do get? You do get like a little bit of caramel from the Coke. You get a little bit of caramel. I taste lemon, and I taste tequila.
I would say it's definitely a sweet cocktail, but still citrusy, and you're still tasting the tequila, but not as much as if you would have tasted like in a margarita. So this is a more balanced way of having tequila with Coke.
Spirits.
Yeah, but you don't really taste them.
You're tasting more tequila in yours as well?
Yeah, for sure. Tequila, it's gonna predominate in anything you put it because it has such a strong flavor. You ever take a shot of tequila? You ever take a shot of vodka? Tequila's gonna stand out maybe a little more.
What about rum? What about gin? Gin tends to stick out. I just don't. You know what it is? Why the lemon is taking away that gin.
You know what? You guys make it. You guys let us know how it is. Send us a
point.
DM and let us know what you guys taste.
Alright guys, so make sure to hit the subscribe button.
And hit the like button or smash it. That's something that you're into. Pow pow! 2020 style. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.